Hello and welcome to the explanatory video of the additions and updates for the multi-asset account. In this video, we will cover the fees structure as well as leverage rates since you will trade with different leverage rate per asset class in the multi-asset account. Let's have a look at various assets traded in the trading platform and how we can find valuable information on each asset available. We will start with the watch list located on the right in this layout. On the top of the watch list, there are 3 stocks: Tesla, Meta, and Nvidia. Then a few currency pairs, Euro, USD, and Canadian dollars against the franc. Next, you can see cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And lastly, indices like the DAX, as well as stocks traded off the US stock market. We'll begin with the Nvidia stock. To see information on the stock, we must open the symbol info window. To do so, we can either click on the symbol in the watch list to select it, after which right-click and select symbol info. Otherwise, we can move to the market depth window. On the left of the symbol, there is a small button indicative of the asset class. Clicking on it will open the symbol info. The symbol info has 5 sections: general information, trading info, margin requirements, fees, and market hours. We will be focusing on the margin requirements, in other words, leverage and fees. So for Nvidia, the margin requirements are 20% leverage, which means 1 to 5 leverage on the stock. If we would have 100,000 in the trading account, we could enter into a trade that is 5 times larger than the account size. For fees, we will pay swap for positions held overnight. If you hold the Nvidia stock in long trade overnight, you will pay 6% annual interest, which is 6% divided by 365 days. If you stay with Nvidia stock with a short trade overnight, we will pay 5%. In addition to this, you will pay a commission per trade according to the plan provided to you. The commission is charged each time you buy or sell stocks. Moving on to the currencies pair Euro USD. In the market depth window, you can see to the left of the symbol the letters FX, which stands for foreign exchange. Let's check out the symbol info. First, the leverage required to trade the Euro-USD pair is only 3.33%. The volatility of foreign exchange currencies is lower than stocks, and therefore you will get higher leverage than for stocks. That is, you can enter into a transaction that is 33 times larger than the value of the trading account. The swap is 1.27% for a long position and 0.4% for a short position. Now, let's look at the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, for example. In the market depth window, you can see to the left of the symbol the letters CRY, which means crypto. In the symbol info, you can see that the leverage for Bitcoin is 50%. That is 1 to 2. For example, if you have a trading account with $100,000, we can enter into a deal worth $200,000. If you hold a Bitcoin position overnight, you will pay 21% annually on a long position and 8% annually on a short position. And finally, let's look at the DAX index as example for indices in the market depth window. You can see on the left the letters ETF, which means Exchange Traded Fund. Here too, you can see the trading info, leverage, and swap paid for each trade. It is important to note that the swap is charged at 12 p.m. GMT. That is, if I opened a trade at 23:59 and held it for 2 minutes until 00:01 GMT, I will pay the required interest rates. The platform offers stocks, currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, leading indices, and stocks from around the world. To see more assets, you can go to the watch list and click on the plus sign above, which will allow to add additional assets to the list. If you are looking for a specific asset, you can type the name or the symbol in the search box to find it. See you in the next video.